Hey, how y'all doing today? Chef Thomas here, about to show y'all how to make one of my favorite dishes growing up, and that was lasagna. So I'm going to put a little twist on it. Ground turkey, Italian turkey sausage, and spinach. Let's get it started. Alright, so first off, we're going to start off with our meat. So we're going to get our pan hot. You need some seasonings. You need some white onions, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to start off with some white onions in a hot pan. You have to make sure it's a hot pan. Use white onions for flavor. We have some already minced garlic in, about a tablespoon. Alright, so we have our vegetables in the pan, and we're just going to sweat them out a little bit on about a medium-high heat. If you're using an electric stove, I will use it on about 5 or 6. On the gas stove, just medium-high heat. Alright, so next we're going to add about 19 ounces of ground turkey. Ground turkey, I love the flavor of ground turkey, and it doesn't leave all of the fat in your pan. Also, we're going to use about 2 or 3. Also, I have some Italian sausage links right here. These are ground turkey as well. We're going to add those into the pan. Use about 2 or 3, just depending on how much sausage flavor you like. So now we're going to get into our seasonings. You're going to have about a tablespoon of salt. About a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, about a half a tablespoon of onion powder, and about fresh cracked pepper is always the best. It always brings that nice, slight little spice to your dish. And these are rainbow peppercorns, so it brings a nice little color as well. So what you want to do is you just want to grind it up. Like I said, we're just going to get this to cook together really quick, and then we're going to get started on our sauce over here. Alright, so about the same procedure with the sauce. Hot pan, add onion, add about a tablespoon of garlic in, and then we're going to add our 2 sauces and merge them with about 2 cups of chicken stock. So you're going to let this cook down for about 30 to 45 minutes. Just to let that chicken stock reduce into your sauce. So we see our ground turkey is almost done. Just going to keep grinding this up together. A couple of seasonings into our sauce. Add a little garlic powder, little dash of onion powder, and some dry basil as well. All these products were found at your local Aldi. So as you can see, our meat is perfectly brown. Nice onions are nice and soft inside of the mixture here. Just to give it a little taste, make sure everything is seasoned the way that you like, and you hold it to the side until your sauce is done. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. As you can see, like I said, you don't have as much grease to drain off at the end, which I love. And our sauce over here, add it on medium-high heat. Just whisk it a little bit. Make sure the sauce is going to take my sauce, add it into our meat mixture over here since it's done cooking. And we're just going to let those flavors marinate together for the next 30 minutes. One of our most important rules for lasagna is you do not want to overcook your noodles. So I cook my noodles about halfway through. Our sauce here has been going for about 30 minutes and is reduced very, very beautifully. Alright, so right here we're shredding our smoked Gouda cheese. Came in a round. Right here. And we have our first layer of our sauce and ours. Alright, some people don't like it, but Chef like a lot of sauce. It ain't never too much sauce. So I start with about a cup and a half on each layer. And then we're going to add our lasagna noodles. So our first layer, just want to gently just add the lasagna noodles on top. Alright, so we're going to start with our layer of cheese. I like ricotta. Some people like cottage, but I'm a ricotta man. So we're just going to add a little cheese on top. And just try to spread on top of your noodles as much as possible. I have a mixture of mozzarella and smoked Gouda. So I'm going to start with the mozzarella. That's that smoked Gouda. Now I'm going to start with my spinach. Just going to add the spinach on top like so. I love spinach, so just gonna pile it on top like so. And everyone knows that spinach always cooks down. Then we're gonna start with another layer of sauce and just keep repeating. And now we're building our last layer. We're gonna top it off with the rest of this smoked Gouda cheese and the mozzarella. Topping it off with the cheese. Now we have put it in our 350-degree oven. Let it go for about 30 to 45